casting clock has revolved to the doorstep of social media attention skid as they are now holding each other neck for what is right. Ghanaian part-time actress Akuapem Poloo has descended heavily on her colleague NAYAS for what she claimed is bad attitude from the moving producer. When Abayebia on also over social media, I have friend Akuapem Poloo. And now a rebel friend NAYAS. Wakeke nsembi. And no na Akuapem Poloo nso akeke bi akire no. Say and so ye no sa. No wanyini onya sa ne ma no. Okeke nsemo ense wo social media no. Na unfortunate, lucky enough, I have Akuapem Poloo on this platform. So, Akuapem Poloo, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
Welcome. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You look so good. You look very good.
You look good too.
Thank you. Yesterday is a Valentine's Day. So, belated Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
You can eat or you can drink. Any what you want, you can do it. Okay, Poloo. You are saying something against or not against, or you are telling your mind to her that the lady called NAYAS, you are telling her you have to stop some things he's doing on the social media. What's your mind? What are you telling her? I don't understand you. What is your standard are you telling her?
Okay. Thank you for calling me on your platform.
Yeah.
I'm not against her or the man in question.
Yeah.
But my problem is she's a grown-up person.
Yeah.
If Akuapem Poloo should do this,
yeah,
everyone will talk about it.
Yeah.
People respect her a lot.
Yeah.
So why should she even have to come on social media and say that the man did that, he slept with me, and so what?
Yeah.
You were a woman.
Yeah.
As a woman, no, we don't talk that way to a man.
Yeah.
Men cry, they don't like these things.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So you being a woman, that you brought a man on earth,
yeah,
you have to show the man some, I don't know how to call it. My English is not coming.
Don't worry, try.
But some song about that,
yeah.
So that when the man sit down, he would think and say that, this lady, she gets sense, so
yeah,
let me go back for her. Because
yeah,
looking at things, NAYAS want to go back to the man. And it's like the man is not giving her the attention.
Okay.
So that's why NAYAS is doing this. And the man, to me,
yeah,
I'm not supporting the man, but I'm talking for the man because he's a man.
Yeah.
And men does things out of pressure.
Okay, don't you think maybe she's saying this so that she can be a popular person in the social media or in the ultimate?
NAYAS claim she's an all-time celebrity.
But nobody knows her.
Yo. So she claimed that. She says she has done a lot of movies. Akuapem Poloo is doing this because she wants to be relevant. Akuapem Poloo is doing Tobe because she wants everyone to know about her. But you NAYAS claiming that you've been there for a quite long time now.
Yeah.
You don't need to do this.
Yeah.
And NAYAS is not a small girl.
Yeah.
She's a full-grown adult.
Yeah.
You see? So I don't expect that from her. That is why I even talk some. Like I won't talk.
Okay.
Me, these issues, me, I don't look at them.
Yeah. But at times, people do something in social media, you come out and tell your mind to them. At times, your words you use are very strong words. Let me put it in that way. Why it is like that?
Okay, my words sometimes are strong, but it's the truth.
Yeah.
Akuapem Poloo, I stand for the truth.
Yeah.
And I cannot see something going wrong.
That's why you can say it in tree as I'm not crying to sebi.
Yeah, to sebi.
Yeah, the truth matter is not sebi.
Thank you. So me, Akuapem Poloo like this. Anything that comes, I'll talk about it. And me, you know me. I'll say it and later on I'll smile with you. I'll even see you and go down and say sorry to you. But it's the truth. Anything that I've talked about it on my page, you know it's true. You just don't want to know the truth. And we hate to hear the truth. Let's put a stop to some things. If not, Poloo, me, I'll talk about it. Oh.
Okay, Poloo. It's very good. Now, the guess. Okay, if you become popular, what's the next? If you are popular,
Eja.
you are popular. What's the next?
Eja.
All the popular will do for you, and you be all the popular. I don't understand all these things.
Okay, me, Popular has done a lot of things for me. He puts food on my table. I'm able to take care of my son and my mom because, as they know, I'm a single mother. So this thing that I started doing, it has given me 4 hours last year. You see, so why should I stop all this?
Okay. At times, you too, you have your naked pictures. Your naked pictures on your this thing, social media, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? So, if you want to be popular, it's very good to bring your secret thing out. Answer me.
Okay. As everyone knows, I'm a video vixen. I'm a model. And with models, our eyes, we've taken our eyes somewhere. So we do things. So me, what I'm doing, my mother understand. My son understand.
Not the stand. Forget the stand. Even arm robber, everybody know that the arm robber, what he's doing is not good. But he to his son understand. The mother understand because last show, if they get money, he gives some to them. So I want you to clarify for me, the nakedness picture coming out here and there, is it good for you? If it's good for you, it's okay. Not your mother. Your mother can't die for you. Your son can't die for you. So if it's good for you, then you can continue. Is it good for you to do that?
Okay. To me, it's good for me, but I won't advise anyone to do what I'm doing.
Why?
Because
if something is good, you have to. Me, I'm not go. My school is not good, but I'm always encourage people that if you didn't go to school, that can be your end. I'm still encourage people. So what you are doing is good, perfect. I like that to bring your naked pictures out. That I don't have any problem. So if it's good, then you have to advise the people the rest. Then everybody continue.
But I don't just do that. I get paid.
You get what?
I get paid.
Paid? I don't understand paid.
I get money.
Oh. So if those people are in circle, made the prostitute, and the man so will you encourage them?
Okay, but my pictures are not that nude. It's semi-nude, half naked. And when you go to the beach, things that we see there, we see a lot of things.
So if you make your you get a naked picture, somebody pay you.
Yes.
Who is those? Is it company or private?
Companies.
Companies pay you.
Yes.
For your naked.
For my photo shoot.
Come again.
For my photo shoot.
So Valentine's Day, you bring pictures out?
Yes.
Naked?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You've not been on my page.
Me, no, I don't go there.
Yesterday I posted a lot.
Okay. Then I didn't come to my phone. I don't go there. Naked pictures?
Very.
Excuse me, say naked?
You will see everything.
Ah, the head. You see the head. Me also.
Yes. That's my job.
Then you have tried. That's very good. I love it that. So what about your breast?
It's there.
It come out?
Yes.
Oh, the breast is right here. The knee also grab out to their breast. They say it's very easy to break it out. Oh, okay, Poloo. Well, I don't have much to say, but what you are doing is up to you. It's very good. If it's bad, it's all to you. If it's good, it's up to you. But if you grow, you can't be in the same position. Do you know that?
I know, but that will be past.
That will be past. Okay. Tomorrow, yesterday, it's Valentine's Day. What are you telling your fans and the whole Ghana over there? Tell them something.
Okay, to my fans, you know this is Rosamond Brown, aka Akuapem Poloo, the smallest girl. And you know I love you. I hope you took good care of yourself yesterday, because I did a snap telling you to be careful. Because me, I don't give in just like that. As you can see me, my foolishness and things, I still take good care of myself. So please take good care of yourself and be prayerful. Please, if you are in school, focus on your books. Because I didn't focus, that has landed me like this. My English is not coming. Pray for me. Keep on supporting me. I love you guys. Kiss, kiss. Mwah.
Okay. Yesterday is a Valentine's Day. I didn't see you, but I can give you a chocolate. You can take this. Okay. Don't stop. Cheers. Okay.
Thank you.
Have you seen something here? You have nice shape. Your bottom is very soft. Do you know that? Is it you?
Yes, please.
Okay. We thank you for your coming, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye.
Viewers, here is the end of the rare news. Indeed, it's a rare news. Read by Akrobeto, a.k.a. Who Knows Tomorrow. Viewers, happy Valentine to you all yesterday. Mentimi and Bintino UTV. The idea about me. UTV is all about you. Rare news. You can't resist. Viewers, we back.